In this tutorial, I want to show you how you can adjust the format that Excel autosaves your files in. So one of the great things about Excel is that depending on the environment you're working in, it will autosave your files so that way if it crashes for whatever reason, you won't lose too much. To adjust the format that it autosaves in, go to File, go all the way down to Options, and now click on Save. Now you click on Save, you can have this checkbox at the top that says Auto Save Files Stored in Cloud Default by Excel. You can check this or uncheck this, but you want to make sure this is checked if you want it to auto save. Then you're going to want to save files in this format. What format? The default is an Excel workbook, but maybe you want an Excel macro enabled workbook, maybe you want Excel binary workbook, maybe you want some sort of CSV or a symbolic link file for whatever reason. Yeah, as you can see, I click on OK. I click change it to a macro enabled workbook. Click OK. And now, as you can see, the file will autosave in a macro enabled workbook versus just the standard Excel workbook. Hope you found this to be helpful. If you did, like, subscribe, comment. Thank you for watching. You have a great day.